So when I speak of SSD, HDD, you may not understand what that means. So hard drive is what you normally would know. It will sit right here, and it's a 2.5 in length. So what changed was we put this guy here. This is called an SSD. So this SSD replaces the HDD, and this thing is like 10 times, 50 times faster than the hard drive. So that's what makes the computer, when you start it up, it starts faster. And this RAM here, it's a 4 gig RAM, of which this and these two, they make the whole computer performance good or not. So what we did now was just to add this RAM to ensure that the laptop now, its full upgrade has been done of the SSD and the RAM. So this is the SSD that we put up, the one that I was telling you about. And what we're about to add now is this extra chip, the RAM, that will make the computer or the laptop work extra faster. So it goes into this slot here, the extra slot, and that's the RAM, that's the SSD.